Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the square glasses to unlock the simple school style set in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is the part of the simple school style set. Okay, oops, sorry, this one. The simple school style, and if you want to get the square glasses, you need to find a golden bubble, and I'm going to show you where you can exactly find the golden bubble. So you need to go to Blang right here, go to the garden street, and then the bubble will be on top of the umbrella right there. And I'm going to climb the umbrella to pop the bubble so we can unlock the square glasses. Okay, let me climb it guys. Wait, it's kind of hard. Okay, I've climbed the umbrella and actually I used my vehicle guys, and I'm going to pop the bubble to unlock the square glasses. Okay, done. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the square glasses for free in Heartopia to unlock the simple school style set. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!